Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Moana outfit in Dress to Impress. So here we are recreating the fierce and fearless style of Moana, the iconic Disney queen of the sea. And let me show you the steps to create the look. So first, as for the hair, I'm going to just use this one wavy hair, this one in here, and change the color into black. Okay, and now for the outfits in here, let's go to the women's section. And first, I'm going to just put on this top in here, in the top center in here, and toggle it into classic. And I'm going to change the color using this patterns from the cultural update. Okay, combine it with the top, use the same patterns. So now the top will look like this, and let's finish it with the accessory and also the bottom. Here for the necklace, see, I'm going to just wear this necklace in here, and for the chains or the pearl, I'm going to just leave it as it is. And for the second preview, I'm going to make it a blue like this. Okay, so for the skirt in here, I'm going to just wear this pants first. I'm going to make the color using the patterns. And for the skirt, I'm going to wear this one, the dress from the currency items, and toggle it into only the skirt, and change the color using this brown color. So it will go like this. For the bow, I'm going to just make it red. You can also use the eyelashes if you want to, but that is optional. So that's basically it. So this is the Moana look from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.